What's going on? In this video, we're going to look at what local service providers can do to help improve their Google business listing, some things that you can do to increase the amount of people that reach out to you. So for this example, we're going to use roofing companies, but this can be done for any type of local service provider, whatever type of local service business that you are, this can work for you. In this video, we're going to look at what roofers can do. So if somebody, think about this from the customer standpoint, somebody is looking for a roofer to help them with their roof. So they're going to type in a Google roofing company Tampa. So that's exactly what I did here. You might see some sponsored businesses here, but maybe you want to scroll down. Okay, let's see who's local near me. So then you hit Google businesses. Now, before you even click more businesses, let's just say we look at this first listing here. They have 132 stars. They're rated 4.5 out of 5, 132 reviews. Maybe they're what we need. So before we even click on the website, we click here just to get a little bit more about them. So we see, boom, they have their images. This is the first thing that you want to keep in mind. With your Google business profile, do you have images of your service? Are they clearly showing what you can provide to customers? So if we come here, we click, and look how many images they have. Plenty of images of their work showing what it is that they can do and how they help people. So now, if I see a project that looks similar to something I need help with, I can automatically assume that they can solve my issue here. So this is something that you want to keep in mind. With your Google business profile, add as many images as possible, clear images showcasing what you can do. Another good thing to have here, of course, is who or where you service. Now, of course, this company did come up for the Tampa area, but just another way of showing where you service is always good to have that here. The area that you service, whether it's the cities, the county, whatever it is that you service here. One thing that you also want to add in your profile is what are some of the services that you offer? Now, again, you came up for roofing, but do you do anything besides roofing? In this case, look at what they mentioned: attic venting, roof inspections, roof installations, roof repair, so many things here that they showing to the potential customer what it is that they can do. So your Google business profile, images, and then what services do you offer here? Now, with reviews, it's of course good to have as many reviews as possible. And of course, ask your customers if they can please leave a review so they can help you give more social proof. Having reviews is always helpful and it's always a good thing to have. Now, let's come to some of this important information here. The times that you're open, you want to please make sure that these times are accurate and up to date. Let's say you used to work, you have these days here that we work on weekends, but now policy change, we don't work on weekends anymore. If these times here still show that you work on weekends and a customer calls you Saturday afternoon saying, can I talk to you about my roof? Are you going to tell them, no, we don't work, call us back on Monday? But then they're going to say, well, Google said that you're open today. See, so you don't want to cause a confusion. Make sure that these times here are up to date with your working hours. A working phone number is also very important here. If you have a new phone number, especially if you're self-employed or if it's a small company, you may change your phone number. You might not have like a landline. You might just use your cell phone. So you want to make sure this phone number is up to date. And if you change your number, to make sure this number is also up to date so you don't miss out on any calls or any leads. That also leads into the next point, which is the website. I've seen a lot of times on Google Business where companies got a new website and then this website doesn't even work. So you click the link, it takes you to a page that doesn't even work, or it takes you to a website that they're not even using anymore. So you want to make sure that your website link here is accurate and up to date with the actual website of your business. Once again, services and then the places that you service. And also one thing that you want to add here, request a quote. This is a great way for potential customers to get in touch with you just to see what it is that you offer. Maybe learn about your process, what your prices are. So request a quote is also a good thing that you want to add with your Google business profile. And then of course they have the reviews down here. A great about is not, it doesn't hurt to have either, even though maybe people aren't even reading all this, it doesn't hurt to have a great small about your business, a little bit about section here on the Google business profile. So I hope this video was able to help you see a little bit about how you can optimize your Google business listing as a local service provider. Again, whether you're a roofer, maybe you're a tile installer, kitchen remodeling, tree service, whatever the case may be, you can use these points to help improve your Google business listing. And of course, if you have any questions, you'd like to set this up, you need some help, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help out. Once again, hope this video was helpful.